Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing small parts. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick, so you can get your key fob working again efficiently. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time and apply steady pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing or any internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, notice which way the positive side is facing. Typically, it's marked with a plus sign. Use your screwdriver to gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.